Here I am in my pantry, and over here I have made a nice little coffee bar, but this is also a new countertop. So what I wanted to do was protect it, and I ended up getting this clear plastic mat protector. It is crystal clear, and it's about 2 millimeters thick, which, if you're not into metric, is about 1/16 of an inch or so. And there's a bunch of different sizes you can get this in. This one is a 36 by 14 inches, and I actually had to cut it, but it cuts really easily with just a pair of scissors. It has rounded edges around here. When you get this, it will be rolled up really tightly, and that's totally normal. So to unroll it, it may take a lot of force, but what I did was laid it down on a table, and I put a bunch of weight on it and left it overnight, and it took out most of the curling. You can leave it for longer than that. You can heat it up if you want it to flatten immediately with a hairdryer, and that will help to make it flat. So if you had something to protect like this, a countertop, a desk, a coffee table, whatever the case, this might be a good option for you. And hopefully the video helped. Thanks for watching.